My nose is so clogged right now. I can't stop stifling. I can't stop stifling. Stiff. I feel like I got like what's an animal with big long nipples? I have them up my nose right now. Seriously, I need to figure out what kind of animal has big long nipples. I'm trying to think, but whatever they are, they're up my nose. Let's party. Don't Google animals with big nipples with the safe search off and kids in the room. Don't. I think I saw an orangutan though, so I have orangutan nipples up my nose. This just isn't fun anymore. At the rate I'm sneezing right now, I'm gonna poop a little at some point. I think a nugget just came out. A single nugget. Ugh. I joke about this a lot, but I honestly think I just sneezed so hard I shit my pants. Oh boy. You shouldn't snap on the toilet, it's disgusting, but I just need to let everybody know right now that I can confirm I sneezed so hard I pooped a little. I just took a full shower. Wiping, just, I didn't feel clean enough. I just needed to take a full shower. I had one witness. I sneezed so hard. What did I tell you? That I
You pooped your pants.
and then I ran
Yeah.
to the toilet. It wasn't like full blown logs or anything when I sneezed and pooped my pants. It was like just peanut butter in the crack. But to me, technically, if you wipe and there's something there and there wasn't before, you pooped your pants. Missed 3 days of work with the flu. Did the show today though, felt good, and then came home cold, sneezed so hard, pooped my pants. Addison might remember tonight for the rest of her life. It was the night that Dad sneezed, pooped his pants a little, and then ran in a panic to the bathroom in front of her.
How'd you see on Mikey's snapper story? He sneezed so hard he pooped his pants. Something going wrong. Oh, somebody get these big ass orangutan nipples out of my nose. I'm high on cough meds watching American Pickers. Frank and Mike are the homies.